Welcome to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can allow Omegle to use camera. Sometimes you have not yet allowed Omegle to use your camera, which means you have not given permission for your PC to give Omegle the permission to use the camera. That's why you can't use it and it shows you black or blurry screen on Omegle. So in this video I will be showing you guys how you guys can fix that problem. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first thing is you want to come to omegle.com, which is the official website of Omegle. Once you're in the official website of Omegle, at the top over here you should see a little webcam icon at the top. Now what you want to do is click on the webcam icon, and over here make sure it's choose this, alright, because sometimes if it is chosen this, then that means your PC is not allowing it to use the webcam. So make sure it is chosen in this and click on done, and basically that means you have given Omegle the permission to use your camera. After you do that, just make sure to reload your page once again and your problem should be fixed, and you can just go to video, click and continue like this and continue, and your camera should work just like this. As you guys can see, my camera is working again. Yeah, that's basically how you guys can allow Omegle to use your camera. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.